Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you see from the title, we are doing a power hour clean with me. So, your girl had a headache from the day before that caused her to just crash out early the night before. So, this is me feeling refreshed and being rejuvenated, just deciding to get up before it was the end of the day again and just tidy up, because you can't do the messy gas and the dishes in the kitchen and all the rest of it for too long. So here we are, just straightening up everything, putting things back together, washing the dishes, sweeping the floor, because I did clean as in mop and everything else about 3 days prior, so it's just freshening up everything. So thanks for joining me again. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you're notified every time your girl uploads another video. And again, I want to say thank you to those who are supporting and have been viewing the daily devotions. Don't forget to leave your comments, any little prayer requests or thought that you may have in the comment section, and of course share with a family or friend that you think might find it or may find it motivational or interesting also. So thanks again for joining, and I hope that you enjoy yet another cleaning motivation power hour video. Enjoy the music. I'll chip back in a bit. lovely people. Your girl was doing some cleaning about a week or so ago, and I noticed that my fingers were actually swelling. So from now on, once I'm using any chemical, etc., your girl will be wearing gloves, because it was like not too much swelling, but enough that I don't want it to happen again. And then my fingers were feeling quite a bit tight. So anytime it's any chemicals, whatever it might be, your girl will be using a glove to protect her skin going forward. So from now on, that's a change that I'll be making around my home or even outside of the home. However, I did change my dish liquid to a natural biodegradable one that I got off Amazon. Really great reviews, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try it without the glove just to see if I get any reaction before I go forward. So if I don't, then you may see me washing dishes without gloves, but for now, you got gloves today. So these placements that were on the table, they were just there. They were clean, of course. So I'm just giving them a quick rinse with some warm water just to get off any dust that may have gotten on them. I didn't use soap because, of course, like I said, they were clean. So I'm just rinsing them to put them away because I'm not going to set the table back right now. So guys, have you ever had that one thing that annoyed you and you took a while to get to it? This was me here, cutting those strings off of that mat because they've been there for some time and I just never went for the scissors and just got rid of it. So strings be gone. So if you made it to this part of the video, here's the finished look. Drop a heart down in the comment section so I know that you reached the end. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.